Alright, my Nissan won't start for some reason. It just won't start. But since I've been doing a little research on YouTube, a lot of people keep saying it's the brake switch that might be fucked up. So the brake switch is down here. The brake switch is over here, right here. See, the brake switch is right here. That's the brake switch right here. Wait, give me a minute. The white one right here is the brake switch, and then the other one is the cruise switch. So they keep saying I might need a new brake switch. I'm not sure. I don't know. I might need a new one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and post this video on YouTube, since a lot of people having this problem. I ain't fixed it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and post this video on YouTube. That's just gonna be part one, showing you guys that, that's the issue I have. But all what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and replace it, or you can get it in the Amazon. But it's not working.